We came out here, and on that side there's hotels, Uber and Lyft, and on this side LAX airport. So all the way down. So your Uber can say I'm at 3 or I'm at 5 or I'm at 7. Of course there's the Grand Princess right there. And that fountain is going to town. Let's go over there. Well, there's the ship and there's the terminal. We came out that door and walked by where the buses pick you up. And this is the fountain and pond. Unfortunately, the fountains aren't on though. But this is a water feature. You can see the jets going down there. Apparently it has been on though, but it's not on right now. So we're gonna walk up here a ways. When we get up in those trees, they're gonna be historical things on the ground, you know, about the history of San Pedro. I love LA. Just started playing. So there's the front of the terminal building. That's where you get dropped off. But we came out that door on the end, walked down the buses. Of course, the Navigator of the Seas is in port today, as is the Grand Princess. So the music and the fountain go together. Big nasty redhead by my side. We're not someone know it. The man was born to ride. There's concrete blocks on that side, and there's a rough concrete asphalt sidewalk over here, and some exercise equipment with instructions. Not sure what the meaning of this is. Oh, it's bouncy though, spongy. And here's our first historical reference. So, Bay of Smokes becomes San Pedro. And of course there's something you can read there. There's benches here that look like they were the cleats off a ship. See that? Of course there's regular benches too. Wooden benches. And another historical marker. Let's see what this one says. Railroad connects San Pedro. Railroad connects San Pedro. It's just too hard to read. Somebody needs to clean it. Mexican Hollywood. Mexican Hollywood. I'm not sure what they mean by Mexican Hollywood. The Southern Pacific Railroad obtained a state survey general permit in 1882, proceeded to build 2.5 miles of wharfs. So American Beach, best American beach of Mexican Hollywood. Then we come to an area of chessboards, or checkers, on granite, in granite. See, there's more. There's about a half a dozen here, I would say. And a drinking fountain for dogs. Look at that. San Pedro annexed by Los Angeles. What? Competition for a deep water port began in the 1880s. Ah. So LA snuck down here and annexed it. And then the fishing industry and canneries came. I don't think it mentions it, but you know, by this time in history, they'd fished them all out. Of course, there's tall palm trees, and I guess those are California sycamores, some other shade trees. It's landscaped nicely, and they take care of it. So then the petroleum industry, Signal Hill, right? All the oil companies came here. pump the oil out, and then to this day they're still pumping oil out. Shipbuilding and shipyards, shipbuilding and shipyards. And if you look around San Pedro, well, that's the battleship Iowa, and that's the battleship Navigator of the Seas. But you could see shipping containers, green shipping containers, all up in there. And this whole area is nothing but shipping containers and container ships. Then labor unions in San Pedro. Labor unions came so people could earn a living wage. That's how longshore lore. Longshore lore. The evolution from crude and harsh working conditions dating back to the late 19th century. Longshoremen. I believe this is a water feature, but I've never seen water coming out of it. Harbor Boulevard Parkway. That's, of course, the name of this. Harbor Boulevard Parkway. Antonio Villagrosa. Those are swings. Big, stiff swings. And a playground. I don't know if people come down here to play. I don't know if they come off the cruise ships to play, or the battleship. Whoa, I just know this is really springy here. And ha 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 ha. Now a kid came and played on it. Little slide. Plastic, not metal. Ooh, a bigger slide. Oh, these springy things. Not sure what this is supposed to be, other than, I guess, to try to walk on it. That's a big slide. Tubular, dude. Tubular. More stumps. Yeah. Rope jungle gym with these things. Oh, thought it was going to spin around. And this. Does this turn, you think? Yes, it does. Next to the playground is ferry services. Ferry services. Oh, you get the picture. Only 1,200 feet of water separates San Pedro from Terminal Island. Okay. But wait, there's more playground. More. Did you think they wouldn't have bars? And directions on how to use them? Not sure what that's for. Oh. Okay. Exercise equipment. Allegedly. Oops. And these. Protectors of the port. Protectors of the port. As the port grew, so did the hazards to shipping and storage. And golf clubs. So here's a built-in ping pong table, but I guess you need your own paddles and balls. Some more exercise equipment. Huh. Guess maybe that adjusts the weight down there. Anyway, we're down to 5th Street now and Harbor Boulevard. And past the port for the cruise ships in the Iowa. Street. Here's a fire department, and those are fire boats, I think. There's a giant propeller there and a ship's wheel in case you want to practice. So here's berths 35 to 84, 85 to 86, ports of call. The ship is at berth, the Grand Princess is at berth 93, I believe. Oh, there's somebody working on the monument. I think it's just being built. Maybe. Fleet of San Pedro Fishing Industry Memorial. Oh, watch out for glass and metal. Henry Alvarez, I think, was the artist, the sculptor. French Sardine Company, Starkist Foods. Louise Ray, Joan of Arc. I guess that's the name of the boats. St. James. American Eagle. City of Los Angeles. Southern California Fish Corp. See, by, what, 1964, they were all gone. Back there's a fisherman's memorial, and this is a memorial to Harry Bridges, founder of the ILWU, Longshoremen Union, I guess, right? And this seems to be more nautically themed. These are anchors away. And I believe that's a big gun and a big bullet. You see anything? Me neither. Well, this goes on, doesn't it? So this is from the USS New Jersey, a 16-inch 50 caliber gun barrel. Looks like some rifling. People have thrown trash in it. Now here's a fancy monument. That black marble. There's thousands of names engraved in that. American Merchant Marine Veterans Memorial Wall of Honor. And look at this. Another fountain not working out. I'm guessing rescuing at sea, right? Jasper D'Ambrosi, sculptor. Let's go over here, look at the names. Oh, I think homeless people are living there. Just wanted to show you some of the detail here. It's the ship and the people, the sailors, on both sides of all these walls. See that? If you go just a little further, you can find the San Pedro Fish Market, West Harbor. There's a whale watching harbor cruise, and I believe this is the Maritime Museum, Los Angeles Maritime Museum, and their clock has the correct time. And if you need them, outhouses. And another little park. So from San Pedro, California, the port for Los Angeles on turnaround day,
I'm Janet.
and I'm Gareth.
And we'll see you in the next port.
Bye.
Bye.
Hey, it's Jules.